Hello, today I teach you English grammar and my topic is clause. What is clause? First, let me tell you the definition of clause. A group of words which forms part of a larger sentence and contains a subject and a predicate is called clause. Look at this sentence. This is the boy. This is the boy who stole your book. This is the boy who stole your book. Who stole your book is a clause. It is a group of words and forms part of a larger sentence. This is a complete sentence. This is the boy who stole your book. It is a complete sentence. And this is the part of this sentence. This is a larger sentence. Who stole your book? Who stole your book? As we have told that it is forms part of a larger sentence. This is a part of a sentence and contains a subject and predicate. In this part means this is a clause. In this clause, the clause has subject and predicate. Who? It is subject. Stole your book. It is a predicate. Who? Who is the subject? Stole your book. It is a predicate. As from the definition, it is clear that clause is a part of a larger sentence. This is a part of larger sentence. It contains subject and predicate. It has subject and predicate. This is the definition of clause. Now, kinds of clauses. How many kinds are of clauses? There are three kinds of clauses. Adverb clause, adjective clauses, noun clauses. Adverb clauses, adjective clauses, noun clauses. These are the three kinds of clauses. Now, look at these two sentences in each clause. They finished in the evening. They finished in the evening. In the evening is a group of words, means it is a phrase. It functions as an adverb. They finished. When did they finish? In the evening. Means it is adverb phrase. And in the second sentence, they finished when the evening came. When the evening came, it is clause because it is part of a larger sentence. The evening came, it is adverb clause. When did they finish? When the evening came. When subject, the evening came, this is a clause, adverb clause, because this clause qualifies the verb. Now, what is an adverb clause? An adverb clause is a group of words which does the work of an adverb. This group, when the evening came, this group works as an adverb, so it is adverb clause. Now, in the same way, adjective clause. What is an adjective clause? It is a group of words, because clause is a group of words. It is a group of words which does the work of an adjective. Now, look at these two sentences. The book with torn pages. The book with torn pages is Ali's. With torn pages, it is adjective phrase, because this group of words does the work of an adjective. So, it is at the same time, it is a group of words, but it is a phrase, because there is no subject and predicate, adverb, adjective, phrase. And in the second sentence, the book which has torn pages, which has torn pages is at least, which has torn pages, it is clause, adjective clause, which is subject and predicate, has torn pages is predicate. So, adjective clause is that clause which works as an adjective in a larger sentence. It is an adjective clause. Similarly, noun clause. What is noun clause? A group of words which does the work of a noun and forms a part of a larger sentence which has subject and predicate of its own is a noun clause. Now look at these two sentences. I hope to win a prize. To win a prize is a noun phrase. I hope that I will win a prize. I will win a prize. It is clause. I will win a prize. It is clause. It is part of a larger sentence. That is conjunction. That is, I will win a prize. It is a noun clause. So, noun clause is that clause which works as a noun. Again, let me explain these three clauses. Suppose I know where he lives. Where he lives, it is a noun clause. I went to the place. Where he lives. Where he lives, it is also clause. Where he lives, it is also clause. But this clause, where he lives, qualifies the noun place. A group of words which qualifies to the noun, it is and has subject and predicate of its own. It is adjective clause. This clause is adjective clause. This clause is adjective and this clause is noun clause, because it functions as a noun. This where he lives functions as an adjective because it adds to the meaning of this noun, place. Place is a noun. the word or group of words which qualifies a noun is an adjective. If a word qualifies a noun, it is adjective. If a group of words qualifies a noun, if that group is phrase, it will be noun, adjective phrase. If it has subject and predicate, means it is a clause, then it will be adjective clause. So, where he lives, it is adjective clause, not a phrase, because it has subject and predicate. Group of words which has subject and predicate, it is clause. Only group of words which doesn't have any finite verb, it is a phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, noun phrase. In the same way, clauses are of also three kinds: adverb clause, adjective clause, noun clause. I went This is also where he lives. In these three sentences, same clause has been used, but it has been used in different ways, means in different kind. In the first sentence, where he lives has been used as a noun clause. In the second sentence, where he lives has been used as an adjective clause, because this clause qualifies the noun. And in this is adverb clause. Why is this adverb clause? Because it qualifies verb, went. This is a verb. This clause qualifies verb, so it does the work of an adverb. So it is adverb clause. Where he lives in the second sentence qualifies the word noun, place, so it is adjective clause. And where he lives, it only tells us about place. Place is a noun. This clause tells us only about noun. So it is noun clause, and this is adjective clause, and this is adverb clause. Same clause has been used in all these three sentences. Where he lives, where he lives, where he lives. But in the first sentence, where he lives functions as a noun, so it is a noun clause. In the second sentence, it functions as an adjective, so it is adjective clause. And in the third sentence, it functions as an adverb, so it is adverb clause. And I have told you that this adverb clause qualifies a verb. Any word or group of words which qualifies a verb, it is adverb. Here, this clause qualifies noun, place, so it is adjective clause. And here it tells only about a noun, so it is noun clause. This was about clause and its kinds. Thank you very much.